kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, tell me. Exactly, I draw a butterfly for you. It's very easy and simple drawing. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. First of all, I draw the face of the butterfly. I draw the circle, then I draw the eyes and mouth. Then I draw the body of the butterfly. Now I draw a wing. It's very easy and simple drawing. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. You know I like butterflies so much. Do you like the butterflies? Do you see butterflies in your life? I see butterflies in my garden. There is a lot of butterfly. Butterfly comes in the park through the wings. See, butterfly looks so beautiful. I draw the two wings of the butterfly. My butterfly looks so beautiful. It looks so awesome and amazing. It's my favorite. Because I like butterflies so much. Don't forget to outline the butterfly. Use the black deeper marker to outline the butterfly. Wow, that's awesome drawing. I like this drawing so much. It's very easy drawing. Wait, something is missing. Yes, tell me what is missing. Exactly, it's coloring. So let's coloring with me. I like colorful drawing. So I use different colors in the drawing. First of all, I use the yellow color. Yellow is my favorite color. Then I use the orange color. You know, butterfly has different stages. A butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. First, it starts as a tiny egg laid on a leaf. Then, a caterpillar comes out and eats leaves to grow. After that, it changes into a pupa, chrysalis, where it transforms. Finally, an adult butterfly comes out with colorful wings and flies away. See, my drawing is almost ready. Wow, that's awesome drawing. Do you like this drawing? I like this drawing so much. You can draw this at your home without any difficulty. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon.